Good morning, children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. Unit 5, time, exercise 5.1. Previous class you learned this. Once again I give the revision now. Which is the first day of the week? So first day is Sunday. How many days do you have come to school in a week? 6 days. How many days holidays in a week? 1 day. Which is the third day of a week? Tuesday. You understand this concept? Next one, move for. Shall I continue now? B exercise. Unscrabble the days given below and write the days of the week in order. So easy to find out. Already you learned the days. First one, what is the day given here? Find out, children. Yes, Thursday. Thursday. Yes, Thursday. Day. Day. Thursday. The next one, Friday. 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 The next one, Sunday. Sunday. The next, Monday. 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 Then next, Tuesday. 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 The next one, Wednesday. Wednes. Wednesday. Day. Wednesday. The last one, Saturday. Saturday. So this one letter is given for unscrabble. So this letter is not given the order. So you find out the order and find the name of a week. So first one, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday. So this is the unscrabble days. You understand this one, children? Shall I move on next one? The next one, topic 5.2, marking the dates. So I take here this month for September, year for 2020. So I take this calendar. So first one, use the calendar and you find out the answers. Okay, first you learn this month is given for September month, year for 2020, Sunday to Saturday is given here. Then how many days is here? 30 days. First day when is Tuesday. Last day for Wednesday. So this is the Sundays. This is the Saturdays. So you first learn for the calendar. Easy to find out. Look the calendar and ask the question. Ready to say the answer. First one. Today's date is. Today is date for 15th Tuesday. 15th Tuesday. Okay. So today is Tuesday. Day after tomorrow is 17th. So that is the Thursday. 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 Then what was the day before yesterday? Yesterday means 15th before day. Monday. So Monday before Sunday. So right, the answer is Sunday will be the date of next Friday. This Friday for 18th. You are asking for next Friday. So you should write for 25. So this is the Fridays. So this week for 18th. But you are asking for next Friday. So you write the answer for 25th. 25th is the next Friday. The next one. How many days are there in a month? This month is having for totally 30 days. This month is having for 30 days. So right answer is 30 days. The next one. Month of dash end in dash day. So this is the month for September. So September before month for August month. That day is year before the date. So this one for Monday. Last day, last month. So is Monday. So you should write the answer sixth one. Month of August end in Monday. Okay, you understand the concept, children? I ask now general questions related to calendar. 1 week equal to how many days? 7 days. 1 year equal to how many days? 365 days. 1 year equal to how many month? Month for 12 month. 1 year equal to how many weeks? 52 weeks. The next one, leap year occurs once in a 4 years, once only leap year is coming. The next one, there are dash days in a leap year. Leap year having for 366 days. There are dash days in a leap year. Leap year for 52 weeks. Days for 2 days in a leap year. Okay, you understand now? This one for general. So you learn for this. The next Roman letter, exercise 5.2. Say for true or false. January is the first month of the year. Yes? Yes, correct. So write for true. The next one, March is in between September and November month. March month is the third month. Year given for between the month. March month after this one September and November. So this is right or wrong? This one is wrong. Only March between for January, February, March, April. So February month and April month is the between month. Year given for September and November. So this is wrong. So you should write false. The next one, the last month of the year is July. Everyone learn for the calendar, that is the month is having for last month is only December, but here given for July. So this is for false. The next one, February has 30 days. Wrong. February month is having for only 28 days. That leap year is coming for 29 days, not having for 30 days. So 30 days is given here. So this one also false. The last one, April is the successive month of May. So January, February, March, April, May. May is a next month? Yes, correct. This one is a true. Successive means after next one. April, May. That is the correct. Okay. The next one. Already you learned the month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. You learn for the third standard. So again here given for write the missing month. June month is given here. Then next you find out for next month. June after July. The next one is here. June, July, August, September, October. The next one, March, April. March, April. Next one, May. The next month, June. So, January, February, March, April, May, June. The next one, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So here write for September. 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 October, November. Okay, children. You write now ready for missing the month. June. Next July. August, September. Then second one, March, April, May, June. Here, October and November is given here. So you find it for before month, September. Children, listen now. Fill in the box using the calendar 2019. So first one is month is given here, January to December. Then next one, number of days is given here. So total year is 365 days. Then next you find out number of week. January month is having for 4 weeks and 3 days. So here given for January month is 31 days. The next one, February is 28 days. So 4 weeks. So no days exist. The next one, March month is 31 days. So 4 weeks, 3 days. Then April month, how many weeks and how many days is here? You find out now. Here I take for January month is 31 days. So already you learn for 1 week equal to 7 days. So divided for 7. How many times you say for 7 before the 31 or 31? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. But you write here 31 only given here. So you should write for 4, 7 fours are 28. Then you do the division after 31 minus 28, 3 days. So this is for week. This is for days. So January month is divided for 4 weeks, 3 days. Then same method used to apply. Now April month is 30 days. So here do for 30 days. So weeks for 7. 1 week having for 7 days. So divided by 7. So you get for 7 fours are 28. So 30 minus 28 you get for 2 days. So here you should write 4 weeks. Then remaining for 2 days. So already repeated for 30 and 31 days. So same days and week you repeated here. Then you get for final answer. The next one 31 days. 31 days means 4 weeks, 3 days. June month 30 days. So 4 weeks, 2 days. 31 days, 4 weeks, 3 days. 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. 30, 4 weeks, 2 days. The next one 4 weeks, 3 days. Here 30, 4 weeks, 2 days. The next one 4 weeks, 3 days. So totally you get now how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So fully for only 4. So 4 12s are 48. 4 12s are 48. Then next you added now days. 3, 0, 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 3, 15, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 2, 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 26 plus 3, 29. So totally you get now 29 days. So 29 days you divided now again. So you get for, so you get now 28 4 times. So balance 1. So this is for week. This for days. So already you learned for 48 weeks in a weeks. Then days is converted here 4 weeks. Again 4 weeks 1 day. So 48 plus 4 equal to 52. How many weeks in a year? Weeks. This one is calculated for 48 plus 4 weeks, 52. So this is the year. 1 year equal to 52 weeks, 1 day. So here this one asking for 1 year equal to 52 weeks. That's why here you find out now 1 year equal to 52 weeks, 1 day. Or otherwise you do for 1 year equal to 365 days. So you divided for 365 divided by 7 days. So 1 week is having for 7 days. So you do for 7 days. So 7, how many times? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So 7 fives are 35. Then next 36 minus 35, 1, here 5. So next one, how many times? 7 twos are 14. Then you get the 1. So 52 week. This one is week. This one is day. So here you find out for how many weeks. 1 week have 7 days. So you totally get the days for 365 days in a week. 365 days in a week. 1 week equal to 7 days. So you divided for and get the answer. 1 year equal to 52 weeks. Weeks only asking, so you write 52. This is in your book exercise given for 365 days. So you get the weeks for 52 weeks in a year. Okay, you understand this concept, children? Thank you.